So x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 18 minus negative 20. Negative 5 minus negative 4. So then you get negative 2 squared plus negative 1 squared. So you get the square root of 5.
Oh, no, square root it.
All right, guys, hush. So your final answer is the square root of 5. All right, number 2. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 10 minus 5 squared plus 6 minus 12 squared. So you get 5 squared plus negative 6 squared. So you get 25 plus 36. All right, anytime you square a negative number, it becomes positive. So you should get the square root of 61 for number 2.
Oh, I messed up.
You probably did 10 minus 6.
No,
Hey, I got it.
just like putting them in the thing.
All right, number 3, we're finding midpoint. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 1 plus negative 6 over 2. Negative 4 plus 1 over 2. So you get negative 7 over 2 and negative 3 over 2 is your midpoint for number 3.
Wait, I thought it was -4. Oh my gosh.
All right, so for midpoint, you don't have to combine them together. All right, number 4. Y1, x2, y2. I'm recording this and I'll stick it up on LMS too. That way you guys can look at it to study if you need to. So, x1 plus x2 over 2. Y2 plus y, or y1 plus y2 over 2. So you get negative 11 over 2 and 3 over 2 for number 4.
He did.
All right, guys, turn around and pay attention, especially because you weren't here to do the practice worksheet yesterday. All right, moving on to number 6, we are finding the slope. So I've got it cut off, but it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So x1, y1, x2, y2.
Ow.
So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you get 1 over 2, so 1/2.
I got 11 over 38.
You messed your signs up.
I sure did.
Sure.
All right, so again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 3 minus 0 over 5 minus 1. So you get negative 3 over 4. Did we get that one?
Yep.
Okay.
I completely skipped it.
Oh, well, I was going to say that one sign shouldn't have messed you up at all, hopefully, but
My own stupidity messed me up.
you are not stupid.
Wait, is that a Z? Is a mean word?
What is 0? All right, so number 8. What kind of slope is that? Negative. Number 9. Undefined.
Are these formulas on the quiz?
Yes.
Is 0 this way?
Yes.
Wait, hold on.
0 is like this.
Yeah.
Yep. Undefined, 0.
Positive, negative.
Yes. Well,
There's the little face, that's all I know. I can't remember the face though.
oh, I'll draw slope guy again. It's fun.
Huh?
So, positive, negative,
You should put that on.
undefined, 0. Usually I give bonus points if you can draw slope guy.
Oh, really?
Good to know.
I think you were absent. I think you were still out.
Ew. So
You know what? No fruits coming tonight.
Hey, get out. I'm having class. All right, number 10. Convert to slope intercept form and graph. So we're solving for y. So I'm going to move the 7x over.
Quick question.
Yes.
Should your line always be straight?
Like,
Mine's a little bend to it. It looks like my nose right now.
yeah, they should be straight.
Eventually it works.
I mean, it's 2 dots. How is it not straight?
No, I put
Okay.
3 dots.
The top one is like here, and then it kind of like.
You thought that was really
All right. Anyway, so you get negative y equals negative 7x minus 12. Divide by the negative 1.
-1.
You can't have...
I'm always here. Okay. Oh, I got it right. You just walked out.
All right, so you get y equals 7x plus 12. I already told you to just walk out when it was
Oh, I
here.
got negative. Oh.
You have to divide by the negative, remember?
Really have to.
All right, so...
I got negative
1, 2, 3,
7.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so you start up here.
Oh, it's gotta be 7
Yeah,
to 1,
that's
right?
where my first point is.
Okay, so
Wait,
then
what? Why is it up there?
because of the 12.
Up 12.
Oh, you gotta go up 12?
Yes. All right, now it's a positive 7 slope, so I'm going to go down and left because otherwise...
That's what I did.
Okay, so I'm going to go down 7.
How much you go?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and left 1.
One.
Oh, I did not do that in the room. I did that.
That just means you can't draw a straight line, Emma.
No, I was wrong. Oh, yeah.
I drew my own little thingy, and my things aren't evenly spaced out, so when I counted over 1, it was right below it.
Oh,
So like it curved, it like
okay.
just goes right below it.
Gotcha.
Try to decipher.
So, again, we're solving for y.
I just blanked out. What are we doing?
Number 11.
Okay, thank you.
So then you divide everything by 12.
Ooh.
See,
So
I
it's
didn't know you had to divide everything. I was just doing it to like the last one.
Yeah, no, you have to do the slope as well. All right, so you should get 1/4 x minus 2. So, again, start with your y-intercept. So you're going to go down 2 and put a dot. Right? Then your slope tells you to go up 1, right 4 from your dot that you drew. So 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
This will be on the ACT.
It will, yeah. He's not wrong. So, all right, but do you understand how to do it now?
I was reading my directions.
Okay. So positive is up and right or down and left. Negative slope is down and right or up and left.
I don't know how you did
My line is take that and go like that.
Okay, yeah, so you flipped it. So when you've got a fraction for a slope like that, like a small one, it's going to be closer to a 0 slope, right? It's less than 1. The bigger the slope, the steeper the line. All right, number 12. So, again, you have x1, y1, and you're plugging into this formula up here. So it's y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 9.
We're okay.
Right, so distribute.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, that's what I got.
Plus 9/2.
Yeah. No.
'Cause
It'd be plus 6, right?
What?
And again, I
Can you reduce
No,
that
y
fraction on the
equals
end
one.
to plus 6?
No, 9/2 is not 6.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant,
You put, well, actually, yeah, because if you put you reduce.
oh, no, I didn't. What did I do?
I don't know. And then you add 3.
That's what I did.
All right, so 9 over 2
It's 12 over 2.
plus 3 gives you 15 over 2.
Man, that.
10, 11, 12.
All right, you're not just adding to the top. You have to get a common denominator. So technically, you're adding 6 over 2 to 9 over 2. Use a calculator for your fractions.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I think I did. I don't know.
Yes.
Up like on the second part, whenever it's 9 over 2, why is that not a negative?
Because I have a negative 1/2 times a negative 9, so it becomes a
Oh, I
positive.
did not see the negative sign for that 1/2. Okay,
Yeah.
now
Let me
it's
do
good.
that right over this. Fix it.
I have gotten everything wrong.
All right, can I go ahead and start 13? I'll leave 12 like visible.
Yeah.
All right, so 15 I think was quite the doozy from what you guys are.
Okay, no, do it down slow.
13.
Or 12.
13. We already did 12.
I just, like, whenever I
You said
really
15.
thought I put it in the calculator and got that one number, but apparently I did so.
What was right there?
I probably put the wrong number.
All right, so y2 minus y1 over x2
Those are different.
minus what? x1.
Come from?
We're finding
Formula for that.
We're finding the slope. We already used that formula on a page before. You have to find the slope first and then use point slope form.
Oh my gosh.
So you get 34 over negative 40, which reduces to negative 17 over 20. All right, now you have to plug into point slope form. I'm going to use my first point. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Will somebody close that door? I know Nate is going to lose his... All
PD privileges.
right. What?
I should have.
Uh,
That would have been funny. You didn't finish it.
I know. I just wanted the door closed because people were getting loud in the hallway.
What?
I'm still working on it.
Oh, but you put it on. Oh, I just.
You said
I told you.
Where did you get?
What?
Wow. I just took the wrong number. I used the 5 instead of 50.
Okay. All right. So then you have to distribute this here. So negative 17 over 20 times negative 15 makes that a positive 51 over 4 at that point.
I don't know.
All right. Then you have to subtract 5.
Wait, yes, I do.
So then your final answer should be y equals negative 17 over 20x plus 31 over 4.
Okay, wait.
What?
I reduced 46 by 2, and I reduced 4 by 2. and I got
46?
23 over 2.
Where did you get a 46?
Wait, they're not 46?
No.
No, they're not 46.
I got
Wait,
34.
but 51 minus 5 is 46.
You have to do 51 over 4.
If I didn't
Minus
reduce 34 over
5.
40, is it fine?
Yeah, because you end up getting it reduced at the end, right? I want your you should reduce it, yes.
Okay.
So,
Okay, hold on. Let me write this down.
Me too.
Why couldn't they just give us a day? All our games got canceled.
Exactly.
All our tests got canceled.
Exactly.
Guys, we are still in class. All right, moving on to number 14. So, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So you get y plus 3 equals 5x minus the 3. Y equals 5x minus 3.
can I leave now? You answered it.
No, you're not leaving. Like, you can't just ask to leave as soon as I finish my last breath. That's not okay.
Oh, I have another question.
Yes.
You had us fill in this paper.
Yes.
Do we need this? Or
Um,
just practice?
It was practice for stuff that was going to be on the quiz.
I don't
I did need to see it completed if I have not already. Yeah, I've seen it from several of you, so.